What up, my friend? How you doing today? I hope you had a great day today. Guys, we're going to talk about Autobtc and how you could be earning Bitcoin daily, stacking up on your Bitcoin from a one-time purchase. So, like I made a post, I think yesterday. This post, it says owning a Bitcoin is like having a share. But it's only better, right? You're growing the number of Bitcoin you have without investing more money is a smart idea. So if you're interested in Bitcoin and some smart ideas on how to own more Bitcoin in the future, well, we definitely need to be talking. Oh, that's why you're here looking at this video right now. So I'm gonna just go dive right into it now with Autobtc. This is inside my back office. All right. Guys, this is a one-time buying, okay? Pretty much anyone could get started here for a one-time 0.0019 Bitcoin. So I'm going to go in here and show you how much is that, okay? So I'm going to just type in Bitcoin to USD price in Google. This is going to come up as today right now. One Bitcoin is equal $56,506.40, okay? So to get started is only 0.0019 Bitcoin. So today, as of right now, it's $107.36 to get started. Okay, remember, by the time you decide to join, it could be higher or it could be lower because Bitcoin fluctuates a lot. Okay, it's very volatile. So that's how much it costs to get started. $107. Around there, 107, 110. Okay, let's say 107 because that's what it says there. How much is 0.0019? Okay, so basically this is how it works. Someone joins at 0.0019. As right now, I have one spot left here to fill, and this board going to cycle. You create what we call a cycle. When it's 6 spots to fill, that's a cycle. Now, the minimum people required here is 2 people. You bring 2, and they bring 2 each. That's a cycle. So I bring 2, and these 2 persons should bring 2 as well. That's complete a cycle. It goes for every single person. Every single person that joins has to complete the cycle of 6. Okay. Now, once the level cycle, okay, once the next person that joins me falls on this level, I'm pretty much going to earn 0.0056 Bitcoin, okay? So, remember I told you I triple your Bitcoin, so I paid 0.0019 for this level, and when it cycles, I triple my Bitcoin, I get 0.0056. So, let's see how much 0.0056 is. Alright, so today that's a little over $300, $316. Okay, so this board pays out $316 as of right now at the price of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up, that 316 gonna go up as well. If Bitcoin goes down, that 316 gonna go down. Okay, like I said, it all depends the price of Bitcoin. But this is a very fast and easy way to stack up on your Bitcoins. If you already have Bitcoin and you want to grow it, all you have to do is put 0.0019 and purchase this platform. And let's work together to make it happen. So, okay, this both cycles, and I got paid 0.0056 Bitcoin. Okay, then once this cycle, for the first time, okay, if this is your first time when you join, the 0.0056 is going to go towards purchasing the feeder level. The system going to automatically upgrade you to this level. Okay, and then the 0.0056 come from 1, 2, 3, 0.0019 times 3. Like I say, you triple Bitcoin. These three individuals there, once they land there, those 3 gonna go towards upgrading you to this level automatic, and this last one gonna go back into the system, so you open up another 6 empty spots. So you don't ever have to pay anything out of your pocket again. Once it cycles, you open up back a new spot, so you can do it over and over and over multiple times. Same thing with the feeder level. When it cycles, it opens back a new one. Now the feeder level, once this fills with all 6, it pays out 0.00167. Every level pays out the amount for the next level up. That's why you see, I always say you don't ever have to come out your pocket. It's a one time you're gonna come out your pocket to purchase the first level, and that's it. Now anyone could purchase all this level at the same time if you want to. Okay, be like me. I purchased I think the first 3 when I started. The feeder level, the Econ level was not there, so I purchased the feeder level, level 1 and level 2 all at the same time. All right, so I pretty much pay for it upfront because I didn't want to lose money. Okay, that's me. When I'm in a company, a program, I'm here to make money, so I'm gonna just get in. I'm gonna invest in myself. Okay, so basically 0.0056 pays out. This board pays out when it fills with 6. It cycles. This gonna restart again with 6 empty spot. Then what we're gonna do? That money you earn 0.00167. the system is not going to automatically upgrade you. That money going to go into your wallet, in your back office. No, you have the choice to upgrade or just keep going with these 2 levels, cycling these 2 levels over and over and don't upgrade. It's your choice, okay? That's where you have the choice. The only time the program gonna automatically upgrade you is when you cycle the first level. The first time around. The second time around you cycle, the money goes, the Bitcoins goes to your back office and you can withdraw it, okay? So let's see what 0.0167 Bitcoin is today. 0.0167 Bitcoin, that's a little over $900, $943.66, okay? So this board, the feeder level pays out $946 as of today, as of right now, the time we're speaking right now. Like I said, if Bitcoin goes up, that amount going to go up. Now, same thing, level 1 pays out 0.05 Bitcoin. Once it cycles, let's see how much 0.05 Bitcoin is. 0.05 Bitcoin, that's roughly around $2,825. Okay, so this board, center 1, level 1 pays out a little over $2,000. Okay, same thing, once you cycle this, it pays out the amount for this level. So what you recommend, you could upgrade to this level. All right, use the money from here, upgrade to this level. Now once you upgrade, you own these levels. Remember, once you upgrade here, you're still going to have all these boards to cycle from. So you're not just earning from the one board that you cycle, you're earning from all 3 boards that you went to. Every board that you purchased at one time, you own it for life, okay? And the life of the program, you own it, so you're just going to keep recycling, cycling. We are going to, I'm going to try and explain a little more how the cycles work, so you can see how easy this is, all right? Now, let's see how much 0.05 Bitcoin, once this level cycles, level 2, it pays out 0.15 Bitcoin. That's for level 3. I'm not there yet, okay, because I haven't cycled level 2 as yet. So let's see how much is 0.15 Bitcoin. 0.15 Bitcoin, that's over $8,000, $8,475. Okay, so this level 2 pays out over $8,000. All right, same thing. Whenever I cycle this level, I'm going to upgrade to level 3 because it pays out the amount for this level. And once I open it, I own it. So level 3 pays out 0.45 Bitcoin. Let's see how much 0.45 Bitcoin is. That's the money start going up now. That's over $25,000, guys. As you see it, over $25,000 as of today. Right now we're seeing that Bitcoin. We heard that Bitcoin going to be hitting probably 100,000. So imagine how much this is going to increase by. Remember, this is just 6 people. Only 6 people. You could do this with just 6 people, and the same 6 people could follow you over and over. Very powerful. Okay, so that's level 4. So level 4 pays out 1.35 Bitcoin. Let's see how much is 1.35 Bitcoin. 1.35. That's wow, $76,000. $76,000 at the price of Bitcoin today. Cycle is 1 level. That's level 4. So imagine you're making you earn $76,000 here. 1.35 Bitcoin. You're earning 0.15 Bitcoin. This is around 25,000 here. You're earning 0.05. This is around 8,000 here. Here you're earning over 2,000. Here you're gonna earning 300. Around 900. Here you're running around 300. So imagine you're earning all these levels as you go. So the last level 5 pays out 4.05 Bitcoin. Let's see how much is 4.05 Bitcoin is. 4.05. That's over $228,000. Guys, this is amazing, right? Imagine you activate it, you go through all the levels, and you're earning over $228,000 in just this one level right here. All right, just this one level. This one is 76,000. I went through and I show you guys exactly how much you could earn here with this program. And this is basically out of with just 6 people, okay? 6 people each. Everyone just brings 2. That's how simple this is. Now, there are different ways you could fill these levels, okay? You could fill these boards by you bringing all 6, or you could fill it by you just bringing 2 and help them bring 2 each, or they bring their 2, you bring your 2, or you bring whatever you do. That's how simple it is. I could bring 2. As I brought these guys in blue. That's my personally sponsor guys, okay? Everyone in blue that I personally sponsor, wherever I go, whatever level, when these guys cycle, they're going to fall on my next open spot. So if I didn't bring anyone else into the program, when these guys cycle, guess what? They're going to land right on me and fill me up. Fill me up again, then I'll cycle again. That's how simple it is. As you see these other guys in, they kind of is it yellow or red, whatever, orange. I didn't bring them in. I brought this person in and they brought their 2, but this 2 counts towards my 6. So either way. Now the power of this, whenever my personal sponsor cycles and fall back under me, I'll earn what I call a builder's bonus. For you just getting started, you're going to earn what they call a fast start bonus. And how you'll be able to qualify for the fast start bonus, you have to come in at the feeder level and the econ level. Okay, you have to purchase these 2 levels at the same time. You have to be at the feeder level to be able to start earning instantly someone join you. So if you're just joining on the econ level and someone join you, you're not going to earn instantly. Okay, the person's going to fall under you, but that money is not going to go into your back office. Okay, you're not going to get any fast start bonus. But if you activate the level 2, the feeder level as well, whenever a member join you at either level, either the econ or the feeder level, you're going to earn the fast start bonus, which is 10% of how much the board pays out. So this level pays out over $300. You're going to earn 10% of that $300. Okay, and once it cycle out, that 10% you've been earning going to be minus from the total cycle price. So you get a difference. Okay, so it's very simple. As this board right here, when I purchased level 1, center 1, you see that right here, 2 persons fell under me from, I guess, the person who I fell under from my sponsor. So I have 2 persons here. Then I brought this 2 in, or either this 2 probably upgraded. That's my 2 personal sponsor. So they cycle or they upgraded and they fell on my next open spot. Now I have 2 more spots left to fill. Once it fill, I get paid out 0.05 Bitcoin. And this goes over and over. Then it open up another 6 spots. When anyone at the time this board cycle, they're going to become empty again. I'll do it over and over. And the people that I already have active with me, whenever they cycle, they'll fill me. So my 6 people, the same 6 people that I had here that joined, the same 6 people could follow me over and over and just keep cycling me. Now if you join today, you may join me on this level, you're going to fall under this person. But guess what? This person, if I go to his level, you see here, you're going to be under him. So now you and this person is working together to fill the first 2 spots under you. You're always going to get help from the person above you or the person below you to help you cycle your board. Now if everyone comes in and just don't do anything, if you join and you didn't bring anyone, and the person that you fall under didn't bring anyone, your board's not going to go anywhere. It's just going to sit there until someone does something. So the minimum requirement, like I said, the minimum requirement is for you to invite 2 people. We have webinars every single night, Mondays to Thursday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where you could just invite people to look at the program, look at the opportunity. See how amazing this program is to helping you earn Bitcoin. Like right now, banks are actually going to start getting into purchasing Bitcoin. As you see where I've just posted it. Let me refresh my page real quick. See, I want you guys to see that. Banks, so you want to get in before the banks start doing it. Right here, Bitcoin will soon be available through 100 of the US banks in partnership with crypto from NYDIG, reporter says. And that was just May 5th. So you want to get in here, you want to start owning some Bitcoin before banks get into this, guys. I'm telling you, don't wait, because by then it might be too late. Once banks start getting into this, Bitcoin going to shoot up. So you definitely want to get into it. Take action. Join me here. Let's work together and help each other earn and grow our Bitcoin. It's a one-time buying, one-time price, just a little over $100. You know, you're not going to lose it. You're not going to miss it. All we're going to do, we're going to help you triple it over and over. Guys, there's a lot of money to be made here in this program. So if you like what I just explained to you, feel free to inbox me. Drop a comment on the video. Say, Earl, I'm in. Let's rock this up. Rock this up with me. And let's start earning some Bitcoin today and set you up for your financial future. Peace out.